Guys, I'm going to solve this sudoku. Here are some tips that I'm going to discuss here. Okay, here are 9 cells and here are the columns and rows. Okay, like 9 columns, 9 rows, and each block has 9 cells. So how are we going to solve it? Okay, so it's easy. Now you see here is 3 and here is 3, and these two threes are in the second and third row. So in this first row, we can, the possibilities are here 3 and here 3, because here we cannot write 3, here we cannot write 3, because in this block we have 3, so we cannot write here. At the same time, here we cannot write 3 because here we have 3. So only possibilities, and here we cannot write 3 because here is 3. Here we cannot write 3 because here is 3. So these two possible places, but we cannot guess, because if you write here 3, here we don't have 3 in this uh, column. At the same time, here we don't have. So we can, it is possible, the possibilities here we can write 3 and here 3. If there are two possibilities, then better we can leave it. So we can go to check some other numbers, like we can see here is 8, here is 8. So first row, second row. So third row, where we can apply, here we cannot because here is 8. Here we cannot because here is 8. So these three cells we have, but just check here 8, 8, 8. Yeah, okay. We cannot because more than one possibilities. Just leave it. So some other numbers will be there. We can check it. So here I found these 3. Let's see here. So first row, second row, third row, we can fill it here. We cannot put this 3 here, and 3 we cannot, but here we can. So this confirmed. Okay, now we solved it. Now you see this 3 and this 3, we can check it. Okay, now this time I want to go this column wise. In this block we have 3, in this block we have 3, in this block we don't have. I cannot write 3 here, I cannot write here, but here I can write. At the same time, I check 3, we don't have, here we don't have. So two possibilities, so I don't want to take this. We cannot guess. If we guess, then the complete this sudoku will goes wrong, will go wrong. Okay, then what else we have? We have 7. Let's see, 7 here and here, first and third row. So this here it will come, this possibilities. Here we cannot write, here we cannot, here 7 is here, we cannot, 7 is here, we cannot. So this is the right place, so I can write here 7. It is done now. Okay, then we can go here. You can see 1, 2, 3 numbers. It's easy to fix these 3 cells. So 1, 2, we don't have 3, 4, 5. So here can we write 3? No, because here is 3. Here we can write, and here we cannot write because here is 3. So what is the right place here? It's 3. Then we have 4 and 5. 4 we cannot write because 4 is here, so this is the right place, 4. And here 5. So one block is done. Same here, 1 and 4. 4 we cannot write here, 4. Sorry, we can write here 4. Here we cannot write because here is 4. So this place 4. And then what else? 2. Right here 2. This is done. Now you can see 1, 2, 3 blocks. This row. What numbers are missed? 1, 1, 6, 1, 6, 8. So 8 we cannot write here. This 2 block we cannot write because here is 8. So this is the right place. Done. Now what else? 1 and 6. 6 I cannot write. Here is 6. So here I can. Right here 6. Then here 1. Now we have only 2 blocks here in this block. 2 cells. Okay. So what else? 2 and 5. 2 I cannot write here. Here is 2, so I can write here 5. Here is 2. Done. Now you can see here just one number is missed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not here, so we can write 6. And only one cell in this block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is done. So this complete cell is over. Now you can see here in this row just one number is missed. What is that? 9. Completed. And here also same, in this column one number is missed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is missed. 4. Then here same one column. So this way also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5. You can write here 5, right? Okay, then like that we can go fast. Here 2, 3, 3 is here. Then what else? Okay, now it is easy, simple. Now we can just, I am finding the minimum cells. Let's see here. Okay, so here 8, 8, here 8, here 8. So this two block, so here only possible. So the possibilities here 8 we cannot write because the 8 is here. So here 8. Done. Then 3, 3, 3, and here is 3. So I cannot write here, I cannot write here, so only place this place because 3 is here, 3 is here, 3, 3, here is 3, so only one possibility, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So you see 4, 5 is here, so 7 I can write here. Now 4 and 5. So check 4, here 4 and 5 is not here, 4, 5 not here, so we just leave it. So we can go to this cell 1, 2, 3. So what else? 1 is here, 2, 3, 2 we want, and 9, 2, 2, 6, 9. Okay, so can we write here 2, 6, 9? 2, 9 is here, so 6 I can write. So now 2, 9, 9 is here, so I can write here 2 and here 9. So this column is done. Now I think here we can write. Okay, so which has the minimum cell? Okay, let's see here, two blocks, two cells are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Here 7 is here, so I can write here 5, so it must be 7. Okay, this is done. Now these two cells, so what else? 1, 2, 1 and 2. Here 1, 2, here is 2, so I can write here 1 and here is 2, and now it is done. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there is no clue. Okay, we need some clue. We can solve here. 6, 6 is done. 9, 9. Okay, 9 and here is 9. We cannot write 9 here. So here we cannot write 9 because 9 is here. Here we cannot write 9 because 9 is here. So only two possibilities, and here 9 is already here, so I cannot write 9 here in this cell. Here 9. Okay. Oh, and even here we can check. Okay, then 1, then 2. I cannot write here 2 in this row, right? Because 2 is here, so I cannot write in this cell. So possibilities here. Here already there is a 2. Right here 1, 2, 3. Now I can go here, this row. Only one number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 8. 1, 2, 3 and 3 and 3, 5. 3 and 5. Okay, here 3, 5. So 3 I cannot, 3 is here, so I can write here 5, so it must be 3. Okay, so here we need 1 and 4. So 4 I cannot write here, so I write here 4, so it must be 1. So this, all these three columns done. Here is done, so here is done. Okay, now we can go here. because all these numbers are here, cells are completed. 1 2 3 4, we don't have 4 here, 4. So here we need 1 and 3. 1 and 3, 3 is here, so I write here 1, so it must be 3. Okay, now you can see here 1 2 3 4 5, 5 and 5 and 7. So I should write here 5, 7 here, and what else here? 1 2 3 4, we don't have 4, and here 1 2 3 4 5, 10. Thank you. This is how we have to do